YouTube, how's it going? It's Thanks, man. This is Rhode Island in Juno. 2015 blizzard here in Rhode Island. A view of the backyard. And a beer. Shoveled the front of the driveway. The wheel horse got stuck. Didn't want to push the snow. We got about 2 feet in the driveway. Just finished shoveling about half of it. Taking a break now. But I figured I'd give you guys a little taste of Juno here in Rhode Island. So, it's been snowing, I don't know, since about 1 o'clock yesterday afternoon. And it's supposed to let up probably about 1 a.m. this morning. Roads are all closed. Bridges are closed. They declared a state of emergency, but there's no emergencies here. I'm prepared. Kinda. Sorta. But here you guys go. Hope all is well. Everybody be safe. And I will talk to you soon. Later on.